Huh? As long as you want. Doesn't matter to me.
What we doing?
I have no idea.
Well, we're both in the same boat.
No idea what I'm doing. We're here just to have fun.
Exactly.
We were just talking about that he and I both brought a knife. He brought a knife to a gunfight, and I brought a letter opener. And then we draw each other. That's not how that was intended. We were just talking about all the fast guys taking everybody out first. That didn't work.
Let's get the all-wheel drives out of the way.
Well, the thing about that, they all got to race that road up there.
That is for show.
First round. Said first round.
It says first round.
19 trucks in it. 19 trucks.
19 trucks, yeah.
I ain't no hero. If I start moving around, I'm lifting.
Ain't nobody loves James like James loves James, except Brantley. Out here to have fun, not tear shit up.
No.
Hey,
Don't be eyeballing my
fuck.
BJ.
Man, I thought he was delivering me a peanut butter jelly sandwich.
I'm a little mad at him right now.
I put him in the fridge.
That part is that peanut butter and jelly sounds really fucking good.
Does sound
real good right now.
Good right now.
Oh, yeah.
Tell we're from Texas and Oklahoma. We get excited over a PBJ.
Best food I ever had. Especially when they're kind of cold.
And that's the whole thing. Yeah, we're out here to have fun.
Truck's only been on a track once in his life.
Well, hey, don't worry. It's not going to be again. Just say no track.
No. It does a little street, but not much.
That's a cool truck,
I'm
though.
going to start getting into a little bit of no prep stuff. Might do a little Indus running. My tuners, like, Viking Sunshine Performance and Clean. Good guy, good tuner. Just hope that
Getting ready for round one.